Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create spaces in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. So in the first step, launch the Bluebeam Revu viewer or reader on your device. And then what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your document. Let me go with this one here. And then click into spaces here on the left hand side. You can create new spaces by clicking into this button. Then draw it on your canvas. Give your space a name, space 1 for instance, click into OK. And as you can see, that's, we have already space 1, so that would be space 2 in this case. You won't see them unless you click into them. And you can click into them through the spaces menu here on the left hand side. And there you go. And for example, use them or position components and elements in them. And that's how it works. You can also highlight spaces or edit these, for instance, by clicking into this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.